Hi, good afternoon. This is Super Duper Rupert, and this is a final video on demand for the school year. As we get to the end of our school year, I would like to introduce you to some websites that are very helpful as we get closer to our final examination, which will be in 2 weeks. Uh, Please remember that you could go to Google and type in your topic, and there will be a lot of stuff coming up which could be helpful for you. But here are some specific websites that can also help you. So if you go to Google and type in any one of these websites, they will be helpful. I know that on the North Carolina Public School website, there are several release papers that will be helpful as you get into your studying. And the first one here is North Carolina Public School.org. If you go there, it will look something like that. That's how the release paper look. Seventh grade release paper 2016 to 2017. And as you scroll down, you could come to the bottom. There should be the answers. So as you go along, you could just answer your questions and then check your answers to see if they are correct. There are about 3 release paper and they're helpful. And there are many websites on site online which you could go, and that will help you with your studying. But before I go, I'll also like to help you with a topic on motion graph that sometimes our students struggle with. So there are two types of motion graph. Before you answer your question on a motion graph, please make sure you look at the axis to see what they are talking about. One of the graphs will talk about distance versus time, or time versus distance. The other one, which is here, normally talk about time and speed, or time and velocity. And I'll have to walk you through these graphs. So here we are. I just use my cursor to give the directions here. So as you go along, when you have a straight line for time and distance, a straight line represents the object is moving at a fast, steady speed. Now, the steeper or sharper the line or slope from the origin, the faster the object is going. So here we have two slopes from the origin. This is steady speed. This is also steady speed, but it's going at a fast because that's a sharper angle. When you have a straight line like this, the object is stationary. So if the boy is sitting on the fence or the car is stopped, that means in a time and distance graph, the object is not moving. If the object has a curve like this and start to get sharper as it goes, it means that it started slow and it's going faster as it moves up the graph. And this slope will show or illustrate that it's returning to the start. On this side, similar graph, this orange line or yellow line represents that the object is returning to a 0 point. Opposite of the blue line, which shows that it is getting faster as it goes up. The other graph we want to talk about is the time and speed graph. On the speed graph, time and speed graph, this line here doesn't mean that the object is stationary, as like time and distance graph. So you have to be careful. This line means that the object is moving at a steady speed. All these lines mean that the object is moving. The only time the object is not moving in the time and speed graph is when the object is on this line. All the other line represents that it's moving. This is steady acceleration. This is steady speed. Remember, on the time and distance graph, the object is stationary and not moving. But in this case, the object is moving when it's time and speed. As the angle gets sharper or the line gets sharper, it means gradual acceleration. That means the object is getting faster. When it's going down, this steady deceleration means that the object is slowing down and going back down to starting point. That's about it for now. I wish you luck in your final examination and hard studying. Thank you.